Everyone. So today we will study about JavaScript strings. So how strings are treated in JavaScript, what are the important methods and how you can use them. So string as general concept are collection of characters text are always in quote, and we can very simply define a string var var variable a equal to hello world, and then we can print it. So also we can see the type of the string by seeing type of the variable by using the typeof function, and it will give us a string. So let's try it out. So in console in Google Chrome you can use JavaScript. So we'll just do certain demo. So I will define a string equal to hello world. So this string is defined. Now if I want to check the type, I can like type of a, then it is a string, right? Type of a will give you the type of the object or the variable, sorry. So a is an object of type, not an object, it is a uh, variable of type string. So basic methods: length of the string, very simple, a dot length, it gives you the length of the string. Then the indexing, right? Zero based index. So very simply, if I do a of 0, I will get the first. If I do a of 2 or 1, I will get the second. So very simple. Starting from the first character is 0, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? It moves on, increment. Now this is a defining string as a primitive, right? Because we saw that the type of a is a string. We can also define a string as an object. So how we can do is a is equal to, or maybe I said b is equal to new string and hello world. Now b is defined as an object. Okay, so if you enter b, you will see these different properties, which earlier if I say a, then I will not see these properties, right? So it is only printing the value of the string, and now if I use it or define it as a object, then I can see all these properties, right? I can see these indexes, I can see the length property, I can see all these different properties of the string, right? Like slice, split, substring, a lot of different properties, right? So this is how you define a string as an object. Okay, type of, if you do, it will come as an object. We saw this, right? Type of b. Another important sort of method, index of. So very simple, we can do b dot b is hello world. We can do b dot index of, let's say, l. So it returns the first index, right? If we say index of h, then it will return 0. If we say index of x, which is not there, it returns -1. So you can put it as logic that if the character is not present, then it will return -1, and it returns the first occurrence, right? Because one character can be repeated, like L is repeated, but it is not giving 3, it is giving 2, so it returns the first occurrence. Okay. Slice is another important method. So that is just to get a slice of the string, not the full string. Say I just want the first 2 characters, so I think slice and index start and index end. That gives me first 2. So 2, remember, 0 to 2 means 0 and 1. 2 is not included, right? So you can only get 0 and 1. Okay. Replace is another way. So if you want to replace anything in a string, so you can say b dot replace world with, say, city, or anything, whatever you want, right? So very simply changes it to hello city. to uppercase just to change the case. Very simply you can do to uppercase. Here you can also see that it auto completes Google, right? When I'm typing to, it is auto completing, right? When I say you, so you can just do tab and it will auto complete for you, so it is faster for just programming. Caret, so it's very simple, similar to the index. So similarly you can do like this, right? And Caret, if I do 100 then I get nothing, and similarly if I do a of 100 I get undefined. Okay, so these are certain methods of string. Very small task will do, and finally end the video, right? Find the last two characters of any given string. So say a string we have is joker, right, or anything, and we want to find the last two. So how we can do it, right? Maybe you can pause the video and try yourself, and then uh, see the solution. Okay, so the solution can be very simply, I need to get a slice of the string because I don't want full part. So I can do a dot slice and a dot length, which will give me the length minus 2 and a dot length, right? So see, it also gives the answer. So yeah, this is very simple. I took a slice of the string. I used the slice method and also the length property. Okay. uh, Write a JavaScript function to split the a string and convert it into array of words. This is very simple, already given. So if there is a comma separated string, I can convert it into an array just by doing split. So I can do c dot split of comma, and then it converts it into an array, right? And I can also check the type of this. The type of, again, object, right? These are things are very important. Once you are doing object oriented programming, you always have to understand what type of object you are working on, right? And what properties that object has. Once you know that, then it becomes easier. Okay, so this is it for string. So we saw how you can define strings, two methods, two ways, and then different basic string methods which are there: string index of, slicing, replace, to uppercase, caret, and of course there are other methods as well, but these are the most important methods. And also we saw how you can find a slice of the string, right? Yeah, so that's it. Thanks.